familiar with using orthodontic techniques to move teeth around and to create, hopefully in most cases, an occlusion that is that has the centric occlusion and centric relation similar, if not identical, which is the ideal scene. As you all know, no one naturally has a CO equals CR. So everyone has the potential to have a functional malocclusion if the difference between CO and CR are significant. Definition of functional malocclusion is a significant difference between CO and CR. And what's the definition of significant? Well, that's where it gets a little fuzzy. I won't go into that. That's, again, another installment. But again, getting back to the point of the protocol using the tool is consistent, and we use it in variable ways, but if you use it, you will get similar results. So again, to emphasize, using the tool, unloading the joint, you're balancing that against the three causes, and the consistent causes after acute trauma are bruxism and functional malocclusion. And those two causes you can't get rid of. If you have, without orthodontics or without getting people to quit grinding their teeth, which is impossible, there is no solution to bruxism. People are going to do it. If anyone out there thinks they have the solution, I'll be willing to listen. I definitely, make your comment, send me the email. I'll try it out. But to my knowledge, in all the patients that I've treated, I have never, ever seen anyone stop the bruxing habit. I mean, for any length of time, maybe for an hour, not for any length of time, especially at night when they have no control. So using the device to balance out the functional causes and the relief of inflammation is the purview of the tool. So it pretty much brings to further understanding that it's not just a tool, it's not a widget. I mean, it's not a widget, it's a tool that you got to know how to use.